I'm going to show you how to use Zotero and Microsoft Word so that you are able to add your citations, your references automatically as you write your research project, your research proposal, your thesis, whatever that you are writing. First of all, make sure that your Microsoft Word is closed. It should not be running at the moment. You will open it later, so don't launch it now. Open your Zotero, and then under Zotero you have to find settings. It will depend on the computer that you are using. I am using Mac, so my settings are at the top of Zotero. So you have to find Zotero and then find settings. Then go to settings. Under settings, you go to site. You find here there are different. You see that there are all these different style manager. So it will depend as you are writing. If you need to use APA, you switch to APA. If you need to use Chicago, if you need to use MLA, you can just easily switch in between the styles. But that is not the point here. The point is for you to connect Zotero and Word document. So you have to, and Microsoft Word, sorry. Connect Zotero and Microsoft Word. So under site, you scroll down. For me, I've already installed the word processor. We call it word processor. You have to install the word processor. I've already linked my Zotero and my Microsoft Word. In your case, you will find install here. Just click install, and then it will install the word processor. For you to be sure that it has been installed, when you come back, it should show you reinstall Microsoft Word add-in. There is no need to reinstall it. If your computer is like this after you have installed it, it means that you have successfully installed it. So install the word processor, and then let's go to Microsoft Word so that I can show you what happens after you have installed your the word processor in your Zotero account. After you have installed your word processor on your Zotero, then you can launch your Microsoft Word. And after you have launched your Microsoft Word, at the top here, you should now see Zotero. When you see Zotero, that means you have successfully linked Zotero and Microsoft Word. If you don't see Zotero, that means they are not yet linked. Either you go and redo the installation, or you restart your computer. So this shows that Zotero is now connected to Word. So now you are able to add or edit citations. You are able to edit bibliography, add note, and do all these things with your Zotero. Like, for example, mental health is a challenge. Let's say student mental health is a global challenge, and I want to add a citation. What I do is you click where it says add citation, and then you choose the format that you want. In this case, let's say I'll choose Harvard, and then say okay. And then here you are able to search for let's say Julius, okay, or Julius. I click there, then you click enter. After you click enter, you will find that the citation has been added. So you can continue writing. And then if you want to add a bibliography, maybe on a new page, you just write references, and then you click where it says add bibliography, and then it will add your references. So as you go along your document, as you go writing and adding citations, your references will also be updated. If they are not updated, you can just click where it says refresh, and then they will be updated. So basically, this is how you use Zotero and your Word document. It makes your life so much easier. You add your citations and your references as you write. By the time you finish your document, your references are also up to date. They are also ready. You don't have to do this manually.